you all? Hope everyone is fine and safe. So let's do some creative work today. So today we are making a bookmark. So the materials required to make a bookmark are a square sheet or an origami sheet, some sketch pens. So let's get started. Step 1. Take this corner to this corner. Match it like this. And match this corner to this corner like this. This part also to this corner. Match. And we don't use any Fevicol to make it. It will shape like this. Then open it like this. Then match this corner to this corner like this here. And put these two parts inside it. Like this. A bookmark is ready. So let's make some designs on it. So I will take a sketch pen. Make an eye. Here like this. And make here also. Make eye here also. And make a flower also here. And we'll make a smiley. You can also make cartoon characters on it. So you can write here anything, like I am writing here my name. Like my name is Navya. So I am writing here Navya. See, it will not look blank like this, no. So now I will use sketch pens to make it colorful. I will use red to make color the bow or a flower of this. And then put a cute smile on it. Color that smile. And I will make some designs on it like this. You can write anything positive here if you want, or anything you want to write. You can write keep happy, be happy, keep smiling, your name, be positive. Like this you can write. So our bookmark is ready. So now let's see how to use it in our books. So suppose this is my book and I have red till here. Okay, I have red till here. I'll put my bookmark here and close it. And when I have to read my book, I just simply open this page and started reading from here. I have made some cartoon character. This is a Doraemon because I like Doraemon. You can make Shin-chan, cartoon character, any cartoon character you want. So if you like my video, please share to everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.